Chapter 8. These flyers. Birds are animals. They are different from other animals in the following ways. Birds are the only animals with feathers on their wings that enable them to fly. They are the only animals with beaks. Other features that help birds to fly are hollow and light bones, strong muscles attached to wing, a streamlined body, boat-shaped, that helps it to cut through the air easily. Factopedia. The outer covering of a bird's feather is called its plumage. Types of feathers. The feather on a bird's body are non-living. Old feathers fall off and are replaced by new feathers. This process is called molting. The body of a bird is covered with 3 kinds of feathers. Flight feathers. These are long feathers that cover the bird's body and help the bird fly and change direction while flying. Down feathers. These are short and soft feathers that keep the bird warm. Body feathers. These cover the bird's body and give it shape. Some birds have colored feathers. Factopedia. Saros is the tallest flying bird. Flying differently. Most birds can fly, but birds fly differently. Cranes, geese, and swallows are birds that fly long distances. Hens and peacocks are birds that fly short distances. Eagles and vultures fly high in the sky. Sparrows and bulbuls are birds that fly at lower heights. Birds like emu, penguin, and ostrich cannot fly. They are flightless birds that have heavy bodies and small wings. Life skill. Never touch or steal the eggs in a bird's nest. Nest. A nest is a bird's house, which it builds when it has to lay eggs. Birds use different materials to build nests. They use grass, paper, twigs, thread, cloth, stones, etc. They make their nests in safe places. Types of nest. Bulbuls make cup-shaped nests in hedges and bushes. Eagles and vultures use twigs to make crude nests on top of trees. Tailor birds make nests by sewing leaves together with their beaks. Weaver birds make nests from grass. Their nests have a bend inside, preventing the eggs from falling out. Woodpeckers make nests in the form of holes in the tree trunk. Cuckoos are very lazy birds. They do not make nests. They lay their eggs in the nests of other birds. Factopedia. Young birds that hatch out from eggs are called fledglings. Factopedia. The loud call sounds of a kookaburra sound like human laughter. Sounds birds make. Like other animals, birds also communicate with each other by making sounds. A single sound, like a squeak, is called a call. A series of notes that follow a pattern is called a song. You can often recognize a bird by the sound it makes. A crow caws, a pigeon coos, a duck quacks, and a hen clucks. Birds like quail, canary, and magpie produce very melodious sounds. Birds like parrots and menas can imitate human sounds. Feet and claws. All birds have 2 feet with toes in each foot. There is a claw at the tip of each toe. Birds use their claws to catch and hold food and to protect themselves from their enemies. The feet of ducks are broad, flat, and webbed, acting like oars. Migration. Some birds that live in very cold areas leave their homes when it becomes very cold. This seasonal, mass movement of birds in search of food or to find favorable places to breed is called migration. The Siberian crane and Arctic tern are migratory birds. Migratory birds return to their homes when conditions become favorable. A quick recall. Birds are different from other animals as they possess a beak and have feathers on their wings. Hollow bones, wings with feathers, and streamlined body enable birds to fly. The body of a bird has three kinds of feathers: flight, down, and body feathers. Some birds fly high, some fly low, some fly short distance, some fly long distances, and some do not fly. Birds build nests when they have to lay eggs. Birds build different kinds of nests. Birds have different shapes and sizes of beaks that are suited to the food they eat. Birds use their feet and claws to walk, catch food, and protect themselves from enemies. Some birds migrate to warm places every year to escape the extreme cold.